Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So, baby girl is here, and we are going to Margao now. So on the way, we have a few things which are need to be given. Our godchild, so she got something for our godchild, and we'll go to give that. I'm not sure if they are home, but let's see how it goes. But today we will be mostly shopping. So yeah, actually the plan was to go by bike, but the heat is so much that it does not feel like winters anymore in Goa. 2 days it was very cold, the weather was very pleasant, and all of a sudden now, even yesterday though it rained, it is very hot today. The climate is very humid, so even looking at that, I wore long sleeves. I got my glasses as well, and yeah, so even with the AC we are feeling quite hot, so it's unbearable. Actually what happens is, like whole day I'm just sitting inside and doing my work, and then one day I come out and it feels a bit hot, because the other time I'm just at home sitting idle, not doing anything. So we were just passing to Kamal High School, and I think it's open day today. I think open day, meaning they are giving out the results.
This is my old school.
Okay. And then she came to our school, St. Joseph, and she met me.
That is also my school.
That is not your school. So looking at that, I remembered during my school days, result day was the worst day for me. Every time during results there were complaints at my house. Every time, not a single time. Like, if suppose for one time there are no complaints, everyone at home would get shocked. Like, this time there are no complaints at all. But mostly it was never like that. Only once when the sir changed and he was new, meaning he came that month only, so he did not know about me. But besides that, every time there are complaints about me. Every time. My cousins and all, they were called to school almost every second day. I was so naughty in school. I just remember looking at them. Hey, Ogna. She was very, she was very quiet. She was just a bookworm. Ratta maar liya, pad liya, bas. But I was so opposite that time. School time I enjoyed a lot. College time it was okay. It was more like, just going for college, coming home. Mostly I was not even attending lectures and all. It went, somehow it went. But school time I enjoyed a lot. Especially with friends and all. We had a very super mischievous gang in school. Those were extremely good days of my life. And yeah, I think after that work though, like, it is okay, it is going good. But school days, I really miss my school days. And during 10th only, I met this girl. In 9th we met actually, but we never spoke during, for that 1 year we never spoke, because she had a very, big ego, and if she was very arrogant. But then I think in 10th I proposed her, something like that. And since then I've been stuck. Yeah, so we are almost we just reached this thing, Kurtorem. We'll be in Margao maybe 10-15 minutes. I'm sweating a lot. So we'll go to Margao first, and we'll see if the shops are open by now, because it's already 12:25. Let's see. So we are stuck in traffic, and finally it started moving. Here, because it's a 4-road junction, there's always traffic over here. And we reached Margao. We are checking for parking. Let's see. This side Sokol could have made out, no? Searching for parking is Margao is next to impossible. Oh, but Sokol also not she. Oh, recommendation. Sure to na re, Sokol car hai aise. One side hai aise pointed kono. Finally, we managed to get parking, but it's a bit outside. We'll have to walk for 4-5 minutes. अरे पाय दुखा समझा. पाय दुखा चला. आने किधर? अजून यांग मोठा. चला ना एक Okay, so we'll walk for some time. You know, 2 minutes ago someone was telling me big things about walking in the hot sun and all, and now you just look at how she is.
आणि मी काय सगळं केला
होय.
तू घे मिस्टेक हांव प्रिपेअर झालेला तू घे मिस्टेक So after hours of complaining, this guy got solution, found solution.
So we came for shopping and brother subscribed to me and we got some clothes. I'll show you all, you know, once we wear it. Otherwise if I show it now, then it will be the same thing that I'll be wearing over and over again. We have to go to the market and get quite a few things. We'll go and get done with it. It's actually 1 o'clock. I doubt that the shops will have already been closed. Let's see how it goes. मैडम जी के शॉपिंग बैग्स लेके उसके पीछे घूम रहा हूँ मैं इधर. So we had taken this thing, thermocols from here. They had said that, you know, they'd be open, but by the time we had food and came, it is closed now. Now we'll have to take one more trip to Margao. So because of that, especially I had got the car because on the bike, you know, they tend to break. So I wanted it to make a Christmas deco, but they are not open now. Let's see if we are in and around Margao in the next half an hour. We'll come and take it. So since we did not get that and we have to spend, you know, the next half an hour, 15 minutes in Margao, what we thought is that we'll go to Patisserie Victoria because I have creme brulees over there and I like it, and I had told her quite often, you know, that I go there and have, so she also wants to try. We'll go over there. I need to edit my video also. Yesterday's video I need to edit. I'll sit over there and edit, and we'll have a creme brulee. Let's see if it's available today. Our creme brulee is here. Take this, madam. You know, I like this. It's sort of like a pudding, but I really like it. So we'll have it now. So you know, coming out of the traffic, we were quite dehydrated. So we are having tender coconut water. Actually, it is not that we were dehydrated at all. Just, you know, कुछ देर चलते ही हम लोगों को पेट. No, it is not like that. It is just that, you know, once we just move out from anywhere, we see something, we feel like getting it. So we thought that we'll have this also. So he's getting one for me. Look at how she's drinking one without asking me if I would have.
This is my share. With my whole open heart, I give it to you. पोरो चामटी मोठा आणि मिगे वाटा पुढे आता मग जाय आलोले पुढाव अशको ओळखाळचाचे देखला को दिल काय.
We went home and we got freshed up and we are come on the mount. So I don't know how much of it you all will be able to see at night. So we just came on the mount and we thought, you know, we'll just take some fresh air. Meaning we just wanted to be together for some time. So we came over here and I think that's it for today's video. Today's video, you know, also went in shopping only. So past 2 to 3 days, I think I've been continuously shopping in Margao. The whole day I spent in Margao, and that's how it goes. So today also it was pretty much like that. Only thing is, I think we went in the afternoon, no? Yeah, we went in the afternoon and like spent a whole day in Margao. There were a lot of things to be done. So there are a lot of things which we will be doing further also, meaning which will be, you know, related to travel, and also we are just getting all the things ready for that. Once I put the travel vlog, you all will come to know exactly what it was. Before that, I'll show you all, like, you know, there are plans of taping the panniers and all that and all. So I'll show you all that. But I think for now it's that much. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye. Nano.
Bye.